Hey, Susan.
Mike!
What's wrong?
I didn't realize anybody was going to be out here. I just sort of rolled out of bed.
I'm sure you looked fine.
Roll out of bed means getting out of bed in a kind of lazy or casual way. For example, in the morning when you don't want to get up quickly and you just slowly move yourself from lying down in bed to standing up, you can say, I rolled out of bed. Another example, he usually rolls out of bed late on weekends. It shows that he doesn't get up in a hurry or neatly.
Look like you just rolled out of bed. Don't roll out of bed.
Don't roll out of bed.
I like to roll out of bed and hit the gym early.
I roll out of bed and I want to puke.
Roll out of bed at the crack of noon 30.
Some of us don't live here or roll out of bed looking perfect.
California, you get up in the morning, you roll out of bed, plop, you're in your swimming pool.
So like tomorrow, you think you could wake up, roll out of bed, and just run the New York City Marathon?
When you rolled out of bed this morning, did you actually say to yourself, hey?
Every day we wake up, we roll out of bed, and we just hit the shore, scoop up a day's worth of merchandise, and then we sell them.